Tita Vicky, a body of Tita Vicky.
Kanino galing?
From us.
Ha?
From me. Of course.
Ayun.
Don't separate my gifts. I know, I'm not.
Oh my God! Let me see. Take a picture. Yes.
Wow!
Baby, come here. I want to see you.
Okay. Show me.
Baby, can you take picture?
Wow! Naku, di si Dinala. Ay! Naku!
Dito ako, Tel.
Dinobo pa ni Emil.
Why are you crying?
Sorry pa siya kanina.
So happy. Ate.
Ayak si Kioni. Ang
He's so happy.
Oh my God!
That's why
You get that?
Kiss your Nina kay Tito Bart, sabi Jay.
Umiiyak.
Yeah, he's happy.
Hold your DSI. Show.
Ba't siya umiiyak?
Tears of joy.
Oh my God, he's happy.
Oh my God, you don't have that yet? I'm sorry, I opened it.
No, that's for you.
Emily, that's for us. Oh, it says Mark and Badim there.
Yeah, it says Mark and Badim from Danica and Donala. Sa inyo yun, ha?
Yeah.
To Tito Mark, your gift.
That's me. Thank you.
Akin yan.
To Tito Ivan and Tita Michelle from
Ian, what did you get?
Did you open your gifts yet?
Nothing?
To Angie.
You open it now, Ian.
Yeah, we give our gifts. You give your gifts.
Oh.
Yeah.
You open it.
I'll give our gifts.
Spider-Man.
Ayana. Put it over here.
Ooh, it's a bicycle.
Ayana, come here.
To Ian, you give this to your daddy. You should give to your daddy. Come on.
Dinala, where's your DS? Your Nintendo?
Bakit wala na regalo yung nanay at yung tatay?